Scatpack, black straight whipping. Hydro whipping. Scatpack, black straight whipping. Straight whipping.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Scatpack,
I'm with my boy, him and Light, about to get these cars washed before I go to my destination, man. But y'all gotta see these cars, man. Dirty. Dirty. How dirty the car is, man. Shit all dirty. Shit all dirty. Need all that clean back there. Back of my car dirty. All dirty. This shit. This blue, so it don't look as dirty as mine. This shit dirty too. Been there one time. Here's a big face, man. This Mr. Honey K right here, y'all. I think I'm more excited than he is. This Mr. Honey K. I said I think I'm more excited than you are.
I'm ready to hit it to see how it's gonna hit me.
Yeah, see when that's when it's gonna hit you. When you hit it, right now you just like when it hits you, you're gonna be like, dang. Let's see where we at. Car wash. Home of the $10 hand washes. Watch how clean these cars be in a second. My car dirty. I ain't even wanna drive it. The sun just came out. I ain't even wanna drive it though. Finna finish eating. Pack gang, trunk or treat is tomorrow in Dallas from 6 to 8. We co-hosting it with my boys from Mopar Mafia, man. Y'all come out, y'all bring y'all kids, y'all come meet your favorite YouTubers, y'all come get some candy and all that good stuff. Wear your costumes. Y'all come have some fun with us tomorrow, man. From 6 to 8. I will post the flyer again for people that want the address on my IG. If y'all go to my IG, if y'all ain't following my IG, I don't know what y'all doing, but it's Scatpack Black, Scatpack_Black. Y'all know, the same as the YouTube. That's how y'all find out where we gonna be at. Watch my story. And let me show y'all. They clean the $10 water. $10. $10. I wouldn't clean for no $10, but hey, these boys be getting the car right. They be getting the car right. And our cars are super dirty right now. Let me show y'all something else, man. Look at this. What I've been dealing with. My gauge. Every morning I wake up a different tire. Since it's been cold and raining, every morning I wake up it's a different tire. I put air in one tire, then the other tire the next day, so stop by the tire shop too. She all clean now. $10 wash, not bad. $10 wash, not bad. Oh, yeah, see some bird shit. Get that out. Some spray to get that out. I'm up here at GZ Custom, y'all. Before I get all my stuff done. My boy Edgar truck. Got the forges on it. Let's throw the cap. Yep. I need to get this done. I've been thinking about getting the inside of my lights done. Might get him to do it. Since I'm up here. Shining. Everything shiny. They do bed lining and everything up here. Let's see the inside. The dash, the interior. They gonna do my interior next. I just don't know what I want to do with it yet. Oh, what Hemi like that? That thing looking good right there. Fine, it is clean too. Truck. Gold rims. Gold rims. Look at them things back there, man. Boy, I do them trucks here. See that paint flipping on that thing. Turn green too. See what my boy at.
I wanted set it like what 30 feet.
Huh?
I'm gonna put trash here.
He might have trash in there. You got trash in there?
Huh?
You got trash in there? Yeah, I just took the other system out of the car yesterday. Out of the other car. The one y'all did. I think I'm about to paint the just for now till you do my trunk.
Okay.
Him like car. Look at that, man. Y'all see chrome red in the backup camera?
I know I don't see this.
Yeah, man. He hating. He hating. We got to back up anyway, brother. What it do, YouTube? This is boy Scatpack Black. Back up here picking up my car, man. I'm finna go in here and see what it look like. See if they did it, finished it. My boy Eric, they got me right, y'all. These lights ain't been working. Last time these lights was working was like 3 days after I got them. And they've been sitting on top of my closet. The replacements. Been sitting on top of my closet for like a whole 2 months now. I finally got them fixed. She looking good though. What up?
What up?
You good?
Chillin'.
White ring around now. They sending me the bottom ones. They forgot them. But yeah. I like that look better than the dots. Yeah, that look way better.